Hello friends, today I will tell you how we can add bookmark in Microsoft Word document. Open Microsoft Word and go to insert menu. Friends, here you will see bookmark. How we can bookmark and how we can utilize this option, I will tell you in detail. To insert bookmark, go to bookmark option. Here we will see the option bookmark name. We can add like muscles. Okay, and then we will add this as a bookmark, and here we will see this bookmark is added, but this bookmark is not shows right now. To show bookmark, go to file menu and then options. After the showing option, we need to go advanced option and drag these options below. Here we will see show document content. Under show document content, we will see show bookmark, and we will check this option and click OK. Here we will see the this word is bookmark. You will see these brackets like this form of heading, and now this is bookmarked. Okay, now we will add more bookmark. Like this one. Click in bookmark and click here. One thing important to note, while we are adding bookmark, there is no space in name like this. If you can see, we cannot add this bookmark as there are space in two words. Now to remove this space, we will add underscore option and click add. Friends, here you will see it shows like bookmark, automatically bookmark. This is not bookmark. You can see the difference between bookmark and non-bookmark words, and same we will also bookmark this option. Okay, and we also remove the space between this with underscore and click add. Friends, you will see this option shows as a bookmark. If we remove bookmark from here, you will see show bookmark. If we uncheck this option and click OK, you will see this will not show as a bookmark. So if we want to use this bookmark, now we can use like muscle, then we click go to like this one, and if we want to go to this one, then you can see here, and if we want to go to here, you can see we will move the document between the we can move the document within document with the help of bookmark. Okay, this is all about the bookmark. I think you understand all the procedure. If you are facing any difficulty, please write me in comments. Thanks.